Hello, guys, and welcome to Lesson World. Today we are on the upper deck of a double decker bus on our way from Endcliffe to Broomhill in Sheffield. Broomhill is a small shopping centre in Sheffield, and I was going to pick up a few groceries from Morrisons supermarket. If you're a returning subscriber to this channel, welcome. And if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. It was a rainy day, but we got the shopping done and here's the vlog. Enjoy! Because Broomhill is near the University of Sheffield, Endcliffe Village and Ranmoor student residences, this Morrisons has a lot of international foods, as you can see. And I think this is a wonderful thing. And one thing also that I do know is that Sheffield is a multiculturally diverse city. Finally, I was on the bus, but I sat on the bottom deck. At this point, I had gotten off the bus, and I was trying to figure out how I was going to continue vlogging and carry 2 bags of shopping. So that was my bus stop, and that was my shopping, and that was me obviously vlogging. I noticed that hospital from that one, Thornbury Hospital, and I decided to shoot the front entrance of the hospital. So I travel a lot with my current job, so I tend to have a different home every month, and this has been my home for a bit now. So this is Ranmoor / Endcliffe in Sheffield. Hope you've enjoyed this vlog. Spend the day with me, and till next time, take care and enjoy the weekend.